Are you unknowingly destroying your car with careless mistakes? In this video, we're exposing 12 car maintenance mistakes only amateurs make, and how to fix them before it costs you thousands. Let's get straight into it. Mistake 1. Ignoring dashboard warning lights. If a light pops up, it means something's wrong. Don't wait until your engine seizes or your brakes fail. Get it checked now. Mistake 2. Skipping scheduled maintenance. Your owner's manual isn't just a suggestion. Skipping factory service intervals shortens your car's life and kills resale value. Mistake 3. Driving with worn brake pads. Grinding, squealing, or a soft pedal. That's your car screaming for new brakes. Delay it, and you're risking full brake failure. Mistake 4. Using cheap or incorrect motor oil. Not all oil is created equal. Using cheap or incorrect oil can lead to serious engine damage. Stick to manufacturer specs. Mistake 5. Not rotating tires. Uneven tire wear equals less traction and shorter tire life. Rotate them every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. It's that simple. Mistake 6. Overlooking tire pressure. Driving with under or overinflated tires isn't just unsafe, it destroys fuel efficiency and wears out tires faster. Check monthly. Mistake 7. Never flushing coolant or transmission fluid. Old fluids break down and damage components. Flush coolant every 2 to 3 years. Transmission fluid? Follow your car's service guide. Mistake 8. Letting the fuel tank run low. Running close to empty can overheat your fuel pump and clog it with debris. Don't wait for the warning light, refill by 1/4 tank. Mistake 9. Ignoring strange smells or sounds. Burning smells? Clunks or squeaks? They're early warning signs. Ignore them, and you'll pay the price later. Mistake 10. Forgetting to change the air filter. A clogged filter makes your engine work harder and burns more fuel. Replace it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or sooner in dusty areas. Mistake 11. Not cleaning battery terminals. Voiceover. Corrosion kills battery connections. A simple brush and baking soda can save you from a dead car on a busy morning. Mistake 12. DIY repairs without research. YouTube tutorials don't make you a mechanic. If you don't fully understand the job, leave it to the pros. One mistake can cost thousands. These mistakes might seem small until they lead to engine failure, breakdowns, or massive bills. Take care of your car, and it'll take care of you. Like this video, subscribe for smarter car ownership, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip.